Now Friday when we drove the car, air conditioning wasn't working. The day before, or 1 or 2 days before when I used it, it was working just fine. So we're going to look at charging it up. So we already popped the hood, so let's get this lifted up. That's supported. And now you're going to have to look for your air conditioning connectors. So not sure which one we're going to use here, but let's use the one with the shutoff valve in it.
And it's got a gauge on it too.
Yeah. You know, I don't have a gauge, but it's got brass stuff in it. So if I take, it should fasten on there. Nope, that don't go on that one.
Top.
Oh, there it is. That was kind of leaky. And we're going to put in the UV leak detector and sealer. So let's screw this on. Now this one has the thing that will seal it up. We'll puncture it and seal it. So now let's put. So we got another camera to kind of replace. We're recording with 2 cameras today, so we can kind of see how the new camera's working. But I just want to make sure I'm not losing any video. And it's giving me a chance to do a second view. There we go. Now we can see real good what we're doing on here. So one direction should be able to see what we're doing. So right now we've got this fastened on. I'm going to go ahead and put this cap back on. Now if you have a set of gauges, then you can use those gauges and you can test a whole bunch of other stuff out. Here's what the gauges look like. We have a high side and a low side, and then here's where you'd hook your tank to and fill it up. Most people don't have those, so you're going to use one of these little things here. And on this gauge, they show green, yellow, blue, red. Depending where you want to be, you want to be in the blues where you want to be. So here's where I want it, right here in the blue area. So I'm going to try and get this put on here. And now I think we need to do this while it's running, because right now it's on high pressure.
Want me to start it?
Yeah, so let's go ahead and start it up, because you want to do it while it's running.
And turn the air.